Okay, before we start, I want to introduce myself. My name is Valino Marcelli with my student number 172300673 and my class 70.5E.10. Uh, we will discuss about the operating system, software, and hardware for midterm exam, my midterm project. So let's we start. The chapter one, I will discuss about software and operating system. There's two chapter. Chapter one is talk about software and operating system, and chapter two is talk about the hardware. So what is software? Software is a set. Software is a set of data that's containing list to tell computer what to do. Obviously, we can touch the software because it's a digital product, like a game or a browser or like a editing software like Canva or CapCut. Without the software, your computer will can do nothing. We talk about the system and application. This the two type system that work together. So system software help the computer run like the operating system and driver, and application software help people do task like writing a document or playing music. So simply system will uh, software system will software system and application system will give us access to use them like editing software, editing application or software. They work together to give us experience. So what is operating system? Operating system is the main program who give a command or instruction to software system, to a computer, to application. Its operating system have all an access to your data, like your file folder application, because the operating system will give them a command to do something. So that operating system. Then we can see this is a popular operating system that usually can you found at your daily life, like Windows. You can find it easily in a school or office computer because it's easy to use, and maybe I can say the safest one operating system for computer. Beside the Windows, we can see a Apple logo. This is a logo for iOS operating system. It can be found in Apple product like iPad, MacBook, or iPhone. And then beside the iOS logo, Apple logo, we can find a Android logo. Many brand using Android operating system like Samsung or Xiaomi or Oppo. They all use this operating system, Android. And then the last one, Linux. Maybe I can say Linux. It's for a expert person on a computer, or maybe they are an engineer, because Linux maybe have a more high risk than Windows, because Linux is very free and very flexible, that you guys was set as a administrator of this operation system when you're using it, so you can change every operating system on your device. If you don't taking care the malware or the virus will easily entering your computer to hijack your data. So you must carefully when Linux. That's from me. Then we will talk about the main function of operating system. Operating system have a function managing your memory, your data, your device, then the software job because they will given command to software. So the operating system can be to read your data, memory, and the other. This is a table of function operating system function. Then how software and operating system work together. Actually, the software and OS work as chaining, like the apps ask the OS for help to open files that the apps needed, like using the camera or connect to the internet. Then the OS talks to driver and hardware, so it's totally chaining. Then this is a basic maintenance for operation system. The first one is you must clean up your operating system periodically scheduled from because when your cache file is too much, it can be make your device lag or maybe bugging. So you must clean up your operating system schedules. Then for prevent any virus or malware enters your device to read your data or hijack any data, you can downloading antivirus software like a Norton security. And the third you can maybe you can backup your data to hard disk external storage like a hard disk or SSD, or maybe you can backup your data to cloud software cloud storage like a Google Drive or the other application with the same function. We will talk about the hardware, discuss. So what is hardware? Hardware is the physical part of a computer that you can touch, not like software that you can touch because it's digital. Hardware is a physical part that you can touch like a CPU or fan or monitor or power supply and others. Any stuff that you can touch on your computer that is physical, it can be called hardware. So this is about the operation hardware and storage. We can say the CPU is the brain because the CPU is the place for any operating system like processor, like a graphic card, SSD, and then hard disk too, and then RAM. So we can say the CPU is the brain because they first give a signal to software. It process back in the CPU, in the processor, in a RAM, in a SSD to give a data to operating system. Then the storage is split by two. The first is hard storage like hard disk, SSD or flash disk, and the second one is cloud storage like Google Drive. And then for SSD, usually more pricey than hard disk because SSD is more faster, but the room storage on SSD not bigger like hard disk. What made the SSDs more pricey? It's because they're more fast and quieter than hard disk. And then we can see in this picture, it's a motherboard. Motherboard is the main board that full of operating system that connect with all operating system. Connecting motherboard is connecting all operating system like a processor, like a RAM, and then graphic card, VGA. The motherboard have any port too, like a USB port for your keyboard or mouse if your mouse wireless, and then HDMI port for your projector or printer or scanner, and then they have a audio port too, like a jack for your speaker or your headphone if your headphone is wire. And then this is a picture of input device. We can see this is a keyboard, mouse, joystick, microphone, webcam, and scanner. So input device is device that send your action to the computer, like a keyboard that give a action to computer. Example like when you type on your keyboard, keyboard will give an input to computer to display the word you type or the alphabet you type, or other example like this mouse that following my move, my hands move, because my mouse give an input, signal input to my computer, and then the sound you hear, it's because microphone given signal input to my computer to record my sound, so it can be called as input device. When we give an action and then computer read it, it's because input device. And when you using a better input device, it will it will give you more good experience, like when you gaming or study, it will make more comfortable. And then we talk about output device. This is some of output device: monitor, printer, speaker, headphone, projector, graphic card, and scanner. The output device is a device that give their action, their result action to us. Like a monitor have a processing data, and operating system give a result to monitor, and then monitor give a result to us like a display. And then printer printing your maybe daily report or weekly report or from your computer, it's called output too, because it's a result of a computer action. And then the sound you hear with a speaker or headphone when you playing a music with Spotify or Apple Music, they can be they call output device too, because it's a because they are give a result of a computer action. Projector that give a video display or a picture display. It's same with input device. When you get a better output device, it will make your experience more good. Can make you feel more comfortable when you're studying design or gaming. And then we talk about how hardware and software work together. Maybe it's same with the last time we talk about the operation system and software, how they work together. It's chaining to the first of all software give a command and hardware perform the action. It's same with the last. And then the final discussion. This is how to maintenance, like a basic hardware maintenance. The main point, the first point of all, keep your device clean. You can using a brush to remove dust from your hardware, because it can be make your hardware not maximal, can make your hardware error too. The system can reading your hardware because the dust on it. And you can using a case for your device like a laptop or cell phone to prevent to give the protection when they fall from your pocket or from your body. And then the case can protect too if any hard stuff hit your device. Okay, so that's all from me. I'm so sorry if my vocabulary and grammar not good, and if I have a wrong on my explanation. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.